Introducing the 2024 Kia Ev6 Earth SEM 5-door auto in sleek grey. This fully electric MPV is loaded with top-of-the-line comfort, accessories, security, and styling features for the ultimate driving experience. With interior luxuries like ambient lighting and satellite navigation, plus safety features like collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning, you can drive with peace of mind. And with the added bonus of a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty, you can trust in this vehicle's reliability. Call us or visit Dooley Motors Carlow to test drive this impressive Kia EV6 and elevate your driving experience today.